In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design in Canva like you normally do, and then bring those animated slides straight into PowerPoint, ready to present or edit further. Let's start inside Canva with your finished design. Make sure all your slides are set up the way you want them, including any animated elements. This could be simple fades, slide transitions, or object animations like text and icons moving onto the screen. Take a moment to play your Canva presentation from the top to confirm that each animation looks correct and appears in the right order. Fix anything now, because it's much easier to adjust in Canva before you export. Once you're happy with the design and animations, look toward the top right corner of the Canva interface and click on the Share button. That opens a menu with several options for downloading and sharing your work. From here, you want to look for the Download option. This is where you choose the format that will allow PowerPoint to recognize your slides as an actual presentation. When the Download Settings panel appears, open the File Type dropdown. Instead of choosing an image or PDF format, scroll until you find Microsoft PowerPoint. Select that option. Canva will now prepare your design as a PowerPoint file rather than just a static export. If available, make sure all pages or slides are selected so nothing gets left out of your final file. Now click the Download button and wait while Canva generates the PowerPoint file. Depending on how many slides and animations you have, this may take a moment. When the download finishes, save the file somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Next, open PowerPoint and go to File, then Open, and locate the PowerPoint file you just exported from Canva. Open it, and you'll see each Canva page converted into a PowerPoint slide. To check the animations, go to the Slideshow tab and start the presentation from the beginning. Click through your slides and watch how the animations play. Many simple entrance and transition effects from Canva will carry over and behave similarly in PowerPoint. If you'd like to refine them further, select a slide, go to the Animations tab, and adjust timing, order, or animation style just like you would with any normal PowerPoint file. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Canva design to PowerPoint with animations preserved and ready to present or customize.